Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're going to do an Aldi keto shopping haul. Come see what I get at Aldi for the ketogenic way of life and ketogenic diet coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb. I have lost 67 pounds through keto, through intermittent fasting, and on today's episode, we're going to go shopping for keto foods, and the best keto foods, by the way, at Aldi. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Make sure you click subscribe. And make sure you put down in the comments Aldi keto so I know to do more videos just like this. And get my free Aldi shopping list printable. I'll tell you at the end how you can get that too. Now let's go dive in and do some shopping. I just got some sour cream, and now I'm also going to snag 2 things of bacon. I'm loving their center cut bacon. It's just really good. I don't know. It cooks differently than the other ones. It does have sugar in it, but that burns off. But I am mindful of creepy carbs, of course. We've talked about creepy carbs about 1,000,000 times, but I am mindful of the creepy carbs. The next thing I like to do is check their meat, to look for their discounted meat. The one that I have here has like stickers for $1 or $2 off of their meat, so I always like to check it out to see if there's any good deals on meat while I'm here. I'm not seeing any good deals, but I do want to check out their chicken, because I'm going to be making a bunch of them. I made a bunch of them this past week for my Instapot meal, but I was wondering about these, how much these are. So that's 10 bucks for the chicken. That's the same price as I get at Costco for about the same size. I'm not seeing any of those stickers for reduced. I'm not seeing any of those stickers for reduced meat, so I'm not going to get anything. I don't think so today. I am looking for a chuck roast though. Look, and I found one. And this chuck roast is 11 bucks, so I'm going to snag it. It looks pretty good. Our Aldi did just get these ribs. They did not have baby back ribs before, but FYI, for you folks who like to do ribs, we have our own rib recipe, a keto rib recipe that I'll put down below. And I'm also going to snag 2 of their pepperoni and salami dishes that they have. They're only $4.49. These are great for like little keto snacks and for some good keto food. Another snack I'm going to grab is the guacamole, the little cups. I like the mild one, but they do have medium blend that you could get. These are great if you break it down per price. There's 6 of them, so what is that, 50 cents per cup. I like having these to dip. I even dip my pepperoni chips into the guacamole, and it makes for a great keto snack. They do have, oh, I thought it was the olives y'all were talking about. It's not. So I'm going to go in and snag some of my organic baby spinach. They have some that's about a week away. I like this for magnesium and potassium. They do have this week a whole bunch of lemons on sale, as is the asparagus. So they have strawberries on sale, so we're going to snag 2 of these for some keto snacks too. I'm totally going to get one of these party trays because I love the cheese, the salami, and the pepperoni. They're 9 bucks. They'll be good just to have as a little snack item. If you are loving this video, put down below Aldi shopping in the comments so I know to do more videos just like this, and give it a big old thumbs up. Now back to the content. They do have a seasonal item for bacon. I've gotten this before, it's very good, but I'm passing on it today. I'm looking for that dip that I talked about before. I'm gonna go check out that dip. I am really craving some pork chops, so I'm gonna get these. I can't wait to show you guys on a future video what those turn out to be. And ignore that, that's for my husband. Snag some eggs. The eggs here are $2.29. I'm going to do a price comparison at our local Costco to see if it's cheaper to get the cage-free eggs from Costco or if it is from Aldi. Our Aldi is having a shortage of heavy cream also, so I've got it at Costco as opposed to getting it here because I don't want half and half. They do have the Ginsani sparkling water, the lime flavor. I know they have LaCroix, but I have not seen the other brands of sparkling water here. Did I just say sparkling cider? I meant to say sparkling water. So they do have that as an option. Am I the only one that's obsessed with this section? Like, I seriously love it. I could use all these things. They have food choppers and wooden chopping things, and I don't need me a minute, but I want all of it. So I'm gonna keep walking. But don't you want the bread and dip set minus the bread? So I'm gonna snag 2 things of the whipped cream cheese. I love their whipped cream cheese here. I use it for a lot of different things. It makes me so happy. I also don't need to get any more of the Kerrygold butter. I have tons at home in our Kerrygold stockpile. If I get below like 7 blocks of it, I start to freak out, but I'm good. I have like 15, so I don't need any of that today. So have you gotten your free Aldi Aldi Keto Printable. It's down in the description link below. Go check it out and get it for free. My gift to the Countess of Low Carb community. Here is my haul now that we're home from our Aldi Keto shopping haul. Again, if you want to get my free Aldi Keto shopping list, that'll be down in the description link below. But let me show you everything that I got from Aldi. So I got some cage-free eggs. We'll use these for deviled eggs or hard-boiled eggs. These are awesome and a good little keto snack. I got 2 things of the baby organic spinach. 2 cups of these, again, in terms of magnesium is huge, but it's only 1 net carb for 2 cups. And then it's awesome. I got 2 packages of the pepperoni deli slices. I'm going to be using these for some pepperoni cups, and my little boy likes the salamis in them, so I encourage that. I got 2 things of the center cut bacon. I also got a thing of chuck roast. I normally do not get my meat at Aldi, but was very interested for a keto meal. And for lazy keto, I like doing chuck roast. If you want my recipe for my slow cooker, I will put that in the crock pot keto recipe down below. I did get some center cut pork chops. I use these to fry up, and I use these pork pankos to make like a fried chicken, but like a fried pork chops with them. This I get from Amazon, which I will put in the description link below. This is an awesome food to have. We got some lemons because my little boy wants to make homemade lemonade, so we're going to do that for him and to flavor some of my waters. I got more Duke's mayonnaise. This does not have sugar added, but it does have soybean oil, which is a creepy carb right there. If my camera can zoom in. There you go, soybean oil. That is an inflammatory property, so if you want to not have the soybean oil, get Primal mayonnaise, which I'll link down below. I got for a snack some cauliflower, 2 things of strawberries for my son, but I also maybe have a couple of strawberries, which are keto, as long as you don't have too many. And I usually mix them with heavy cream. They did not have heavy cream, so I got some from Costco, but I got 2 bags of radishes. Radishes are awesome for a great keto meal. For lazy keto, I got some sour cream. They did have avocados on sale, so I got 3 of those. I did get blueberries. Those are more so for my little boy. I may have 1 or 2, but literally these are high in carbs and net carbs, so I will pass probably for an easy keto dessert, but I did get some of those just in case. I got some sliced up mozzarella. This is great for my keto pizzas that I make. I like having fresh cheese along with goat cheese, and these help me not eat too much cheese. I love cheese. Who cut the cheese? So I get these to help limit my portion size. I did get some more ranch, as I did get some more Thousand Island dressing. These are made out of soybean oil. Really, Primal mayonnaise, Primal products are the best. You got me a birthday present? What did you get me? Well, oh, thank you. Happy birthday to me. Thank you. What's inside of it? Let me see. Oh, happy birthday! It's a Star Wars jet pilot. Thank you. Can I have a kiss? Thanks for my birthday present. I appreciate it. Can you have it back? We put it in my birthday pile?
Yep.
Thanks, dude. I'm going to hold my birthday present while I do my video. So Duke says, here's your birthday present. Thanks, Duke. It's not really my birthday, but it was really sweet. That was really sweet. I did get a party tray, not for, there's crackers in there, but for the pepperoni, the cheese. These are great easy snacks, and it was on sale for only $9. I just wanted something simple and easy. I did get 2 things of asparagus. This was on sale for what, $1.50. In terms of carbs, it's 1 net carb for 3 ounces, which is awesome. I did get these. These are about 50 cents per guacamole package. And I got 2 things of my heavy cream cheese. I'm going to put my birthday present right there. The cream cheese, I love using this. Pork Chop loves it when I use it. This is great. And I put my everything bagel seasoning on top. And that is my grocery haul. This was a successful shopping trip. Look, Pork Chop wants to be on camera. Applesauce, yes, we do have a dog named Pork Chop and another dog named Applesauce. And I'm working on a 3rd dog named Gravy or Biscuit. So there you go. If you like this video, make sure you check out my other Aldi shopping hauls. I'm going to go ahead and put this all away before it gets too warm and get this in the refrigerator and get tonight's meal, which is going to be my Keto Instapot Chicken. If you want to see that video, I'll link it down below too.
I'm trying to be a cowboy.
You're going to be a cowboy?
Yeah, but I can't.
Okay, well, let's go. We're going to go play cowboys. Bye, guys. If you are loving this video, put down Aldi Keto in the comments so I know to do more videos just like this. Give this video a big old thumbs up and make sure you click subscribe for all things keto, all things intermittent fasting, and to get my free Keto Aldi Shopping printable. I will have a link down in the description link below. Simply get that email and click confirm on the confirmation email I send you, because I do abide by anti-spam laws, and then you'll get the free downloadable printable there. So we'll see you on the next keto grocery shopping haul in my playlist down below. Bye guys, make it a powerful day. Do you like being in YouTube videos? Your personality really shines through. Are you happy? Are you mad? Are you sad? What did you find? Are you weighing it? How much does it weigh? Does it weigh 2 pounds?
Yes.
Yes. You're so strong and smart with your numbers. I like these.
I told you that your birthday for a little while.
Thanks, baby. Thanks for my birthday present. Oh, thank you. I'm going to hold it while I do my video, okay?